Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashi and this is today's look. So my inspiration was obviously these earrings that I'm wearing. I actually wanted to do like a proper neon look, and by the time I started I put my hand in the glitter, and then slowly the brain, the imagination went like some other way, and I ended up creating this look. So it's not exactly neon, but I have applied that on my eyes. That's like the base of my eye makeup, and if you see, I have applied just very soft glitter on it just to elevate the whole look. I've kept my lips very light. I've applied a lot of blush, so this actually kind of becomes like a perfect like a day beach side party kind of a look, like probably like a pool party look, I would say. I think it's amazing for a pool party look. Yeah, that's the look that we're talking about. So if you want to learn this look, please stay tuned. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. You don't want to miss more videos. Find me on Instagram, Rashi Softi Makeup. And now let's start this makeup. So let's start with the eyes today, guys. We're not going to waste any time, and for that I'm going to take a concealer again, which is like a shade or two lighter. कोई भी concealer आप use करते हो यार, just use any. And I'm just going to quickly dab this concealer all over my lids. A base like this helps the makeup show more obviously, and also stay a lot longer. I'm quickly gonna set it with a pressed powder. So this is the palette that we're gonna be playing with today, guys. Just look at the colors, yaar. I mean, look at it. Every color is so tempting. मतलब क्या नहीं है इसमें, from purples to blue, greens, yellows, orange, peach, pink. Like it's the entire rainbow, in this palette. So much, yeah. You can create so much from this palette. I loved it from the day I had it, and I mean, actually today is going to be the first day when I'm going to use it. So I am just going to take this, yeah. And just on the crease line, guys. Whoa, can you see? Okay guys, time to apply the neon color, and I'm just going to apply it all over the lid, and I'm just going to mix it a little with the transition color that I've done. Can you see that? I've just taken some yellow on this brush again, and I am just overlapping it with that orange that I've done, because I think orange थोड़ा ज़्यादा दिख रहा है, so we can just kind of merge it. So guys, if you see, I have merged the crease with my lid like really well. I applied more of that neon over that orange, so this area is just kind of looking a little darker. Just serves the purpose जो चाहिए था कि crease should be my crease. I just wanted it to be deeper, so I think that has been taken care of. And I'm going to move on to the glitter, and that's all that I'm going to do on these eyes. Let me show you how. I'm using the Forever 52's 001. It's basically like a gold shimmer. It's a liquid glitter, and it's really nice, guys. See how just by applying this glitter, ये पूरा base color इतना उठ के आ रहा है, like it's showing all the more, and it's just lighting up the face. So actually I've already started doing my brows without even mentioning the product, you guys. I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Artist, guys, and if you don't want to invest like in a very heavy duty expensive brow pomade like Anastasia Beverly Hills, थोड़ा सा expensive है वो, तो you could give this a shot. L'Oreal Brow Artist, it's not very expensive, and अगर आपको लगाना आ जाए तो फिर आप इससे भी बहुत अच्छे brows बना सकते हो. So girls, how many of you out there are deprived of like lashes also I'm deprived of, but of brows also like me. I'm very deprived of brows. You can literally see. So guys, मैंने अपने false lashes लगा लिए हैं and I'm just going to remove this fallout that I have on my face. I'm just going to clean it up quickly. I'll start the face now. For that, I'm going to start with the primer. This is Professional by Benefit. Okay, so time to conceal, and now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind over my pigmented areas, and that's mainly around my mouth. Okay, so now once my concealing is done, I'm going to move to the foundation. I'm using the Sheer Glow foundation by NARS, which is not required with this foundation. Time to highlight my under eyes, and for that I'm using the shade Sand again from Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. Time to set my makeup, and for that I'm going to use my LA Girl pressed powder again. And try करिए आँखों से शुरू करना, because this is where the crease starts coming first. The product actually starts getting collected under the eyes. So if you have a crease problem, then you make sure, guys, that you set your under eyes really well. Do not apply too much powder if you have dry under eyes or if you have too much of creasing issues. But otherwise, you can do good amount of setting and even baking for that matter with powder. अब अपनी eyes complete कर लेते हैं. So I'm going to take that same yellow that I have done all over my lids. So अभी तो आप लोग को ये बहुत फ़नी लगेगा, मुझे खुद को बहुत फ़नी लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मेरी अंडर आईज सूज गई हैं. बट we're going to complete this look by taking the same glitter. I'm just taking help of a brush to apply this. Time to move on to mascara. Using my usual favorite, the NYX Matte Bronzer, and I am going to contour the usual areas that I always contour. Time to highlight, girls, and I'm going to use this beautiful, very affordable, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा budget में है ये. I think it's only 300-400 rupees. For blush, I'm going to take my old palette again, the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice. I'm going to take this coral shade from here, and This is a very highly pigmented palette guys, so please थोड़ा थोड़ा करके इसको लगाना, वरना ये आपका मुंह बहुत ज़्यादा लाल भी कर सकता है. So there you go. I make sure that I put some blush on my nose as well because that looks nice. So for my lipstick, today I'm actually going to use this, if you go to Thailand, there is this shade, there is this brand called Mistine. It's very popular there, and I think it's one of their best local brands, and I got these lip colors from there. So this is the Mistine Super Matte Air Matte Lip Color, and this is number 20. And isko, I can just apply it like a tint also. A little bit of Bombshell, which is just going to sober this shade down. And now I'm just going to finish this with a makeup spray. That's my final look guys. I have just popped on my lenses. I had forgotten to put them when I started doing this video, and I'm pretty used to it. मैं बहुत बार अपनी lenses लगाना भूल जाती हूँ, and now I'm trained makeup के बाद lenses पहनने के लिए. But I think the lenses have really helped elevate this look all the more. If you see the eyes, I kept it really simple. इतना तामझाम नहीं था. It was very easy. Just some neon yellow and a little on the transition. Strong brows. Very nude lips, like peachy lips, and lots of blush. I'm getting a very beachy vibe from this look. I can't call it like super glam, I can't call it soft glam, because there's glitter happening, there is some neon shade happening, but again it's not dark, it's not on your face, it's just very light and playful if you see, very soft in its own way. So I think overall I'm absolutely loving the way it's come out. What did you think of this look? Please leave your comments, your feedback, any doubt that you have, anything that you want to say to me, please leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends guys. Press the bell icon because you want to know when the next video will be out. And find me on Instagram. Rashi Sopti Makeup is my handle. I'm going to see you very soon.